Repair tips that only smart people know. 1. If the screw is too small to fix the loose leaf with a large hole, put a discarded key on it, and the loose leaf can be perfectly fixed. 2. What should I do if the screw always falls off when I screw it in a small space? Find a piece of tape, put the screw on it, and then stick it on the screwdriver so that the screw will not fall off when I screw it again. 3. Don't throw away the plug wire if it breaks. Find a rope, fold it in half, and place it on the broken end. Wrap it tightly from top to bottom, then pass the secondary rope through the rope loop below, tighten the ropes at both ends, and the plug will be repaired. 4. Take a small spoon, tie it with tape to the head of the glue gun for applying glass glue, and fix the tail end with tape. If you use it to apply glue again, you will find that it can produce exceptionally even and neat glue.